Hi guys, welcome to another episode. Today we're going to go through 4 ways we can soften the skin. The first being proximity. Where can we place the light to make the face as soft as possible? 2, diffusion. How can we diffuse the light? Can we use soft boxes? What kind of soft box can we use to make it even softer? 3rd being filters. Could you use any filters that makes your skin softer? And the 4th being editing tools, face refinement tools in Davinci Resolve that can help you make it even softer. So this video is for anybody who's doing talking head, interviews, and also for photography, because the same principles applies to photography as well. So let's get into it. We are starting by putting the light as close as we can, which is 40 centimeters. And we're using one of my favorite lights, SmallRig RC60B, which is really affordable and it gives you a beautiful light. And what do you guys think? I think this looks pretty good to me. So now the light is around 6 meters away and is around 100%. So for proximity, we have proven that when a light is closer, the skin looks better. So we're going to try 4 different diffusers and see which one is looking best for the skin. The first one is really small. The second one has 2 diffusers. The third one is the lantern, which is really good for podcast. I really love that one. And the 4th one is really big. So which one do you think is the best? Comment down below, and also why you think it's the best. I'm using the Black Pro Mist filter 1.8, which is the lowest strength, just to soften the skin a little bit, because digital cameras creates unnatural sharpness. Alright, so the next step is to work with the face refinement. So what you can do in Davinci is that you can go to the color page. If you're new to Davinci and you haven't worked there before, just follow along. I'm just showing you what's possible. So what you can do, don't think about all these notes. I know it's very confusing. If you want me to do a tutorial on Davinci and how it works and how to color grade, I can do that. Let me know in the comments. In here, in the effects tab, you can write face refinement. And I think this is only in the studio version, right? When that is done, you press detect faces in the frame. And then you just press this one and it will track it. So once that is tracked, it's really straightforward and very simple. We just keep it at beauty aromatic and we just work with the amount. Let's remove the overlay. Just work with amount a little bit. Can you see what's happening? Like, that's too much, right? Like, this is if we bring back too much, that looks terrible. So we just want to give it a little bit of touch, not too much. Let's see, before, after. Yeah, I think that looks good. That was it for today. Hope you liked it. If there are any tips that you have about softening the skin, please do comment. I would love to learn. And I see you on the next one.